Tuscaloosa Window Replacement are dedicated to providing top-notch bow window solutions for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic appeal. With a wide range of bow window styles available, our experts can help you choose the perfect design that complements your home's architecture. Whether you're interested in vinyl bow windows Tuscaloosa, wooden bow windows, or aluminum bow windows, our team has the expertise to guide you through the selection process. Energy-efficient bow windows Tuscaloosa are an excellent choice for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining a stylish appearance. Our custom bow windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. By opting for energy-efficient bow windows, you can enjoy the benefits of reduced energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Bow window installation in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, is a seamless process when you work with our experienced bow window contractors. We offer comprehensive bow windows Tuscaloosa services, including installation, replacement, and maintenance, ensuring your windows remain in excellent condition for years to come. Our team is committed to delivering high-quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. For those seeking affordable bow windows Tuscaloosa, our bow window showrooms offer a variety of options to suit any budget. We understand that every homeowner has unique needs, which is why we provide customizable solutions to meet your specific requirements. From bow window quotes to bow window estimates, our team is here to help you make informed decisions. Bow window customization in Tuscaloosa allows homeowners to create a unique look that reflects their personal style. Our Bow Windows Tuscaloosa experts in Tuscaloosa work closely with clients to design custom bow windows that enhance the beauty and functionality of their homes. With a focus on quality and craftsmanship, we ensure that each window is tailored to your exact specifications. Bow window replacement in Tuscaloosa is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our skilled technicians are equipped to handle any replacement needs, from minor fixes to complete bow window replacement. By addressing issues promptly, you can prevent further damage and extend the life of your windows. Bow window manufacturers in Tuscaloosa provide a wide selection of high-quality products to meet the diverse needs of homeowners. Our Bow Windows Tuscaloosa suppliers offer a range of materials, including vinyl, wood, and aluminum, ensuring you find the perfect match for your home. With access to the latest bow window designs, you can achieve the look you desire. Bow window consultations in Tuscaloosa are an excellent way to explore your options and receive expert advice on the best solutions for your home. Our bow window experts in Tuscaloosa are available to discuss your needs and provide personalized recommendations. Whether you're considering bow window upgrades or new installations, our team is here to assist you every step of the way.